GCSE Chemistry, Percentage Yields, SmartPath Tutoring. Percentage yield compares actual and theoretical yield. The amount of product you get is known as the yield. The more reactants you start with, the higher the actual yield will be. But the percentage yield doesn't depend on the amount of reactants you started with, it's a percentage. Percentage yield is always somewhere between 0 and 100%. 100% yield means that you got all the product you expected to get. 0% yield means that no reactants were converted into product, i.e. no product at all was made. Industrial processes should have as high a percentage yield as possible to reduce waste and reduce costs. Percentage yield is given by the formula percentage yield equals mass of product actually made divided by maximum theoretical mass of product times 100. Yields are always less than 100%. In real life, you never get 100% yield. Some product or reactant always gets lost along the way, and that goes for big industrial processes as well as school lab experiments. How this happens depends on what sort of reaction it is and what apparatus is being used. Lots of things can go wrong, but 3 common problems are: not all reactants react to make a product. In reversible reactions, on page 72, the products can take back into reactants, so the yield will never be 100%. For example, in the Haber process, at the same time as the reaction, n squared plus 3h squared is 2NH3 is taking place. The reverse reaction 2NH3 N2 plus 3H2 is also happening. This means the reaction is N2 plus 3H2 is 2NH3. Never goes to completion. The reactants don't get all used up. There might be side reactants. When you filter a liquid to remove solid particles, you nearly always lose a bit of liquid or a bit of solid. If you want to keep the liquid, you'll lose the bit that remains with the solid, and filter paper, as they always stay a bit wet. If you want to keep the solid, some of it will get left behind when you scrape it off the filter paper. You'll also lose a bit of material when you transfer it from one container to another, even if you manage not to spill it. Some of it always gets left behind on the inside surface of the old container. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.